So we thought we would just take this week and kind of recenter our thoughts and hopefully get you guys back on track with us as well.
Yeah, we've been kind of all over the place with some of the videos here lately. Haven't done many RV videos either because we've been here for so long. So we thought we'd kind of catch you up with what's going on with us, talk about what's next, and just kind of have a little sit down with you guys. So we're at Lagoon Valley Park today, which has become one of our favorite parks here in the area, just because it's close to the RV park, but it's also rolling hills, it's got plenty of hiking trails, there's a Frisbee golf course here, really pretty, it's $5 to get in, but it's well worth it. So
yeah. Just to get you guys back on track and to organize our minds again, like I said. So we last left you on a road trip from Lake Havasu City, Arizona, moving to Vacaville, California. Since then, you guys have probably seen our videos, hopefully, comparing my parents' Class C to our travel trailer. If you guys had opinions on that, let us know. We still love both of them, but obviously we have the 2600 RV. Then we also went to Mexico on a little getaway for kind of our birthdays and kind of just to get away.
Yeah, that was a little bit different. We kind of did a short review on the place that we stayed at, but we just wanted to keep you guys kind of rolling with us, but it was definitely a different video than you're probably used to.
Yeah, we love our RV and we love full-time RV living, but sometimes it's nice to not always be in the RV. So if you want to check out the Mexico video, I'm going to drop it up here. That came out last week. But that being said, we got to Vacaville. We've done several trips since then.
Yeah, so this is also a side note, this is a premiere video, so we're actually sitting right now watching this with you guys. So if you want to say hi or have any questions, make sure you throw those down below, and we're going to be answering all that stuff in real time.
Very confusing.
Right now. Right now.
So we're here, but we're also here in the comments.
Yes.
Watching this with you guys, and we're very excited to see you all again. One thing that we haven't loved about not being consistent with our videos the past couple months is not getting to talk to you guys and not getting to like hear what you want to say and hear what you guys are up to. It's the beginning of the summer. We want to hear your summer plans. We want to know what's going on with you.
Yeah, we love this little community that we built over the past, what, 18 months or so. Love hearing from you guys, getting those messages and those emails, and getting tagged on some social media and letting us know what you guys are up to this summer.
Yeah. On that note, I'm going to segue real quick to something we're going to circle back to at the end, but just in case we lose you halfway through because you got to go do something, totally fine. We want to do a Q&A video coming up soon. So anything you have that you want to ask about RV living, travel nursing, stay-at-home husband life,
RVing with dogs, camper life, travel nursing, travel in general, or if you guys just have a question just for us, just the two of us.
How do you not kill each other? Why does Mike sometimes have a beard and sometimes he doesn't? That sort of thing.
We're going to be gathering all these questions, and then we're going to make a video sometime this year, later on down the road, and just kind of answering some of the questions that you might have, probably mostly about RVing, but any other questions that you might have as well.
Yeah, so since this is a premiere, drop those in the chat below. We're not obviously going to answer them on this video, but we will be storing them up to answer them in a future video. And if you're just catching this now, not during the premiere, but at a later time, find us on social media, Instagram, Facebook. We have an email we answer, contact form on our website, whatever. Shoot us a message, let us know anything you want to know, and we're going to put out that video soon.
So let's get back into it. All the housekeeping here is over. We're just going to kind of catch you guys up with what's going on with this. So we came to Vacaville. We came in February, I think in February or March. For a 4-week assignment. Yes. And those 4 weeks have come and gone very quickly. I think on week 2 or 3 we decided that we were going to extend just because we really liked the area. We wanted to stay out west. So Steph's on an extension right now.
Yep. We signed a 4-week contract, which I've never done. 9 years of nursing, 5 years of travel nursing. I've never done one that short. And it's great because it's really short, but it's bad because you literally get to the place and you're like, and now I need my next job. Good thing was we really liked it here. We like the RV park. We like the area. I have some really great coworkers that I'm working with, so we decided to stay for another couple months.
So sunny. It's been warm since we got here. It's been in the 70s, but it's just now starting to get hot.
A
It
little
was
too sunny now.
106 degrees yesterday. So yeah, it's getting warm.
Yeah, and I realize a lot of people have a lot worse. We have nothing to complain about, but we've been very spoiled over the past several years that we chase the good weather, and it's getting to that point where we're kind of a little too warm. We also just recently went to Tahoe. We have been traveling for 5 years, and 4 years ago we were in Reno for several months, and we of course fell in love with Tahoe. One good thing about Vacaville is that it's a good launching point for places around us. So Tahoe is only a couple hours. We got to go there and see that area, which was great.
Spent a couple of days in Reno, kind of revisiting some of the old places that we used to go to, which was really interesting. But yeah, it was great to see Tahoe. It's been what, 3 years since we've been back? So beautiful, beautiful place.
Beautiful.
So those little side trips get us caught up to where we're at right now. So.
Yeah.
So another thing that we decided to do was move our launch date to Wednesdays. So now on Wednesday nights at
5 p.m. Pacific time.
5
8
p.m.
Eastern
Pacific time.
Yeah.
You guys can catch our videos. If we have a video for the week, it will be on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Pacific. We decided to move it off Sunday. Sundays just weren't working out very well. And also football season's coming up. So I don't want to miss a single Bears game so that we can upload videos.
We might want to miss Bears. Actually, I don't know. I'm not going to talk about the Bears. I'm not going to jinx it.
Make
but
sure if you guys want to see our new videos, it's going to be on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Pacific. You should be able to see our bright and shining faces.
Yes.
So we are at the end of this assignment. We only have 3 weeks left.
Yeah.
So where to next?
Indiana.
We're going home.
Which again, same thing as last year. We got out west, we planned to stay out west, and we're like, actually, let's go back to Indiana for a little bit.
We enjoyed being back home last summer so much, and Steph has a new nephew on the way.
We both have a new nephew on the way.
So,
in about a month. He's doing about a month.
We decided that we're just going to go home for the summer and then go from there. We also have a lot of stuff coming up in October, which we'll keep you posted on. But we decided that we're gonna just go home for a little bit and spend the summer at home. So we had a whole Indiana playlist that we did last year. I'll throw that up here if you guys wanna check out some of the stuff we did in Indiana last year. But we're gonna be focusing on RV stuff when we're home and Midwest adventures as well, just because that's where we're gonna be at.
My parents have a farm that needs some work done on it, so you might see us hanging out with the
Scottish Highlands.
Scottish Highlands, I just blanked on that. Hanging out with the cows and hanging out with the nieces and nephews. We're very excited to see them and to see our families. We've been fortunate enough that our parents have come and visit us. Your parents we saw in November last. My parents we got to see in March, which was great. I haven't seen my siblings or nieces and nephews since July of last year, I think.
So that's one of the reasons why we pushed ourselves to go home. So we'll be doing stuff back in the Midwest. We'll be doing road trip videos going out there because I think we're going to take 2 weeks to get out there. So we're going to see some cool stuff in the camper on our way back home as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. We'll keep you updated on that, let you guys know when to expect some of those videos.
Yep. Of course, as always, if you have any recommendations to get us from California, I guess from your viewpoint, it's California to Indiana, let us know. We have planned out 0 things for the route so far, but we also just found out about this going home, so we're very excited about it. Let us know, and let us know what questions you have. We want to put out that Q&A video, anything RV life, anything life rerouted, anything you want to know at all, ask us. Drop it in the comments, send us a message, send us an email, send us something by owl post.
We'll be compiling a good list to put together to do a video so that we can get those answers out for you guys.
Yep. We're very excited to have a lot of RV stuff coming up for you. Just kind of refocusing and recentering ourselves so that we can bring you guys some more great content and share our adventures with you guys.
Thank you guys so much for sticking around for this video. Let us know down below any questions, like I said, that you guys might have, or just say hello down below. Thanks for tuning in this week, guys. If you guys are new here, make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along with our little adventure. And we'll see you guys next time.
Come here. Hey, come here.
No,
Hi.
no.
Hi.
Oh, God.
Callie, say hi. Please the pine cone.
Why
Okay.
are you on the table?
It's her new thing.
Such a waste of a
Alright.
generation due to nothing